Today we are doing one of the simplest origami folds, but one that's also super meaningful to so many. It's the paper heart. These are great for Valentine's, for anniversaries, for birthdays, for cards, for decoration, you name it that you need a heart for, you got it. In October for pink, you can make them for breast cancer awareness. It's whatever your heart desires. So the first thing you're gonna need is a piece of origami paper. I already have a pink one, so I'm going to do a purple one, which is another great thing that you can do them for. Somebody that you know that has gotten a Purple Heart in the military. You've got Veterans Day, you can make them a card with a Purple Heart. So it just needs to be a square piece of paper. If it's origami paper, it'll already be square, but if you don't have origami paper available to you, you can use regular paper or recycled paper and cut it into a square. You just want to go ahead and turn it so that it looks like a diamond facing you, and we are going to fold corner to corner first. So you want to bring those corners together. Make sure the corners and the edges align perfectly before you press down and crease. Once you have that and you're happy with your crease, you can go ahead and unfold it. You're then going to turn it just slightly so that it has a diagonal line towards you, and the bottom edge we're going to bring up to the top edge and do a fold that way. So corner to corner, edge to edge, get them aligned just perfectly before you press down and crease. And then unfold. And we're going to do that again. Bring it edge to edge, corner to corner. It's starting to turn on me. And just go ahead and bring it over just like all the other times. Make sure they're aligned perfectly. And press down. And then unfold. And then you're gonna just turn it so that you've got 4 full diamonds here that you've made from creases, but the top one and the bottom one have a middle crease going down them. And so that's what you want facing you, is that center crease. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this top corner here and we're going to bring it down right to the very center focal point of our piece of paper. So where all of the creases meet, right in the middle. So go ahead and fold that down. Have it meet. It should line up with the other creases that you've made as well. And once you're all lined up, then you can press down and crease. And this time we're going to leave that one folded. We're not unfolding it. Then from the bottom corner, instead of meeting it just to the middle, we're going to keep going past it and bring it all the way up to the top edge, right in the middle where the crease is. So go ahead and bring that corner straight up, have it lined up with that crease and with the edge, and once you are all lined up, you can go ahead and press down and crease. So then it looks something like this. Kind of wonky at the moment, but that's okay. That's just how it looks. Okay, the next part we're going to do, so you should have the longer edge toward you. You're going to take this corner over here, holding down the middle. You're going to bring it straight up so that its edge aligned right along that middle edge. And then once you are all aligned, you fold down so that it looks like that. And then you're going to do the same thing from the other corner. So you're going to go ahead and pull it up, align it along that middle edge. It should meet right up with the other side that you brought up. And once you're all lined up, go ahead and crease. Then we're going to flip it over so that it's already starting to look like a heart. When it's facing you, it's just got a lot of sharp corners. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these two corners and we're going to fold them in on themselves. So just enough that they fold in just like that, and you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So what I like to do is bring it over to where it meets where this edge stops or starts, and then crease down. And then you're going to do the same thing with your top corners. And with these, you just want to bring them down right to that edge on each one. And then flip it over. And look! You've made a beautiful paper heart. They're so simple, they're so easy. You can use them as cards or as decoration in cards. You can use them as decoration around the house. You can just make them for fun. You can make them to make somebody else's day, which I think everybody needs a little pick-me-up now and then. So go, have fun, make tons and tons and tons of these, and we will see you next time for more origami here in Krista's Craft Corner. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Have a good one.